What's up, everybody? Welcome back on Pokey Wheels. Hope everybody's having a great day. I know it's been a while since I've done a video last. I had some family things going on, so I've been processing that. But we are back, and I'm ready to open up some more Pokemon cards. Today, we got some Vivid Voltage, and we got 40 packs, so you know what we're looking for. We're looking for that hyper rare Pikachu. Always remember to smash the like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of the videos. Alright, here we go. Right here we have the 40 packs. All these came from Elite Trainer boxes and 8 individual packs. So I got them all open and I'll sort it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 20 of them today, and tomorrow you guys stay tuned because we're going to do the second half of the 20 packs tomorrow in a part 2 video. But anybody who needs the code cards for the Elite Trainer boxes, here they are right here. Alright, also let me know what y'all get out of these. So, alright, and the last one's right here. Alright, let's get started. We'll just go from left to right basically. Alright, here we go. Throw that. Alright, code card. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, energy. Okay, here we go. I haven't done this in a long time. Woobat. Charmander, there we go. Rockruff reverse. And a Quagsire, non-holographic. Alright, that's okay. Second pack. Got a long ways to go. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, energy. Bay. Alright. Moo Cheese. Cottony. Alright, here we go. Reverse and non-holographic. Okay, that's alright. We are looking for that hyper rare Pikachu. Probably the most sought after card in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, energy. Sorry if I seem a little nervous on this video. First one I've done in a while, so I'm still trying to get back into things. Alright, reverse. And a grapple lock, non-holographic, but that is alright. Okay, there we go, that pack opened up pretty easy. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Okay. Heroes Medal. Stunfisk. Tamoo. Executor. Or Execute, sorry. Alright. Glaring Meowth. And a holographic. There we go. First holographic of the day. Sorry, I'm still a little nervous on the names and everything. Just trying to get back into everything. Alright. So don't bite my head off too hard in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Okay. Go Goat. Trubbish. Alright. Choodle. Ralu. Eevee, reverse, and a Bandit, non-holographic rare. Put the cards over there. Alright. So yeah, we're going to do the first 2 stacks today. You guys stay tuned for the next 20 for tomorrow's video. Alright. Energy. Alright. Memory capsule. Okay. Frostseed, Joltik, Sandile, reverse, and a Zekrom holographic. There we go. Alright. Next pack. Getting pretty good pulls with the holographics here. Hopefully we can get some real pulls in a little bit. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still searching for that Pikachu. Alright. Mudspray, Joltik, Weedle. Alright, Sandile, reversed, and another Grapplock, non-holographic. Okay. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, water energy. Alright. Make sure this still looks pretty good on the camera. Okay. Slugma. Beldum. Reverse. And a crocodile. Non-holographic. Alright. Almost done with the first stack. Alright. Hopefully the pulls start heating up. Alright. Fighting energy. Oop, sorry. Electric. Electrike, sorry. Glaring Meowth. There we go. Blitzel. Reverse holographic Wailord, or Wailmer, sorry, and a Flareon. Non-holographic. I'm so sorry. I'm butchering these Pokemon's names. Alright, here we go. Last pack for the first stack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, fire energy. Here we go. Stunfisk. Oop. Joltik. Sandile. Seedot. Alright, Mudspray. Reverse. Slugma. And a Garbodor. Non-holographic rare. Alright. Second stack of 10. Here we go. First pack. Code card for anybody. Always remember to let me know what y'all get in the comments. Alright. Go Goat. Oops. Keep doing that. Tangelo. Sandile. Alright. Pinto. Fairy. Reverse Sandile. And a Togekiss V. There we go. First good pull of the day. Let me go ahead and get my sleeves out. Brand new pack. Came from the Elite Trainer boxes. That is a great pull right there. Okay, sleeve it up. There we go. Okay, let's keep it going. We'll get some good pulls out of these. If not, well, I'll have to keep searching for the hyper rare Pikachu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Memory capsule. Giraffe. Titric. Alright, there we go. Shuppet. Frostseed. Reverse Frostseed. Or, sorry, Frosthorn. And a Leon holographic. There we go. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Next pack right here. Okay. Code card. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Oops, I keep messing up. And they won't stick together. Alright, Charmander. Probably my favorite Pokemon. Glaring Meowth. Cottony. Alright. Wow, there we go. Amazing Rare Rayquaza. And a Exploder. But there we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Amazing Rare Rayquaza. Or however everybody says it. I know everybody says it differently. That is gorgeous right there. So the packs are heating up. I'm getting some great packs out of these. I'm getting some great pulls out of these, should I say. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Sorry, I got something in my throat. Heroes Medal. Hitmontop. Duskull. Frost Seed. Ralu. Sandile. Oop. Welmer. Reverse. And a Genesect. Holographic. Rare. There we go. Not too bad. Not too bad. We do have, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. Okay. And like I said, always remember, smash the like button and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of the fire pulls that we may pull. So you will not miss the hyper rare Pikachu. Alright. Shootle. Trubbish. Okay. Woobat. Okay. Dreadnought. Reverse. And there we go. Charizard. It is a non-holographic with Leon in the background. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, here we go. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Opal. There's Bay. And there's Frost Seed. Dedenne. There we go. Okay. Reverse. And a Crocodile. Non-holographic. Alright. Last 4 packs here. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Alright, there we go. Dusclops. Nikita. Voltorb. Rockruff. Whismer. Reverse Energy. And a Lycanroc. Not holographic. Okay. Still not too bad on the pulls. Alright, last 3 packs. Here we go. Code card. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope everybody having a great day and getting stuff out of the code cards. Alright, Nikita. Okay. There we go. Rockruff. Blitzel. Reverse Zekrom. And a Zygrade holographic. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Another good holographic. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, energy. Alright, Cargo. Nessa. Wooper. Dedenne. Alright, Shootle. Ralu. Reverse. And there we go. Orbital V. There we go, there we go. Let's go ahead and get a sleeve for this. There we go, right there. How about that? Okay, last pack. Hopefully we'll get some last pack magic. Let's go. Alright, code card. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy. Kakuna. Stadium. Charmander. There we go. Wooper. Meowth. Cottony. Alright. Reverse Flable. Ah, Yamega. Non-holographic. Okay, but that is alright. We had some good pulls. Here we go to recap. We got the Orbital V right there. We got the Rayquaza. Amazing rare. And we have the Togekiss V. Ultra rare. Great video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Always remember to stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow. And I will see y'all in the next one.